In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display Wpforms in a pop-up when you click a button. This is a great way to enhance user experience on your website by presenting forms in a neat, convenient manner without redirecting users away from the page they're on. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, let's tackle the initial setup. You'll need to install and activate a couple of plugins, Wpforms and Popup Maker. Both plugins are available in the WordPress plugin repository, and you can easily find them by heading to your WordPress dashboard and navigating to the Plugins section. Once there, search for each plugin by name, Wpforms and Popup Maker. Click Install and then Activate for each, making sure both are up and running seamlessly on your site. Next, we'll create the form that you'll be presenting in your pop-up. Head over to the Wpforms section on your dashboard and click Add New. Here, you'll find a user-friendly drag-and-drop builder which makes form creation a breeze. You can add different fields, adjust their settings, and configure the form to your liking. Once you're satisfied with how your form looks and works, remember to save it. It's important to ensure that this form is functional and meets your needs, as it's what your users will be interacting with. Now, let's move on to setting up the actual pop-up with Popup Maker. From the dashboard, go to Popup Maker and select Add Pop-up. Give your new pop-up a clear and descriptive title like Contact Form so you can easily identify it later on. In the content area of this new pop-up, click on the Add Form button. A drop-down will appear, allowing you to select the form you created earlier with Wpforms. Choose the right form and insert it into the content area of the pop-up. Next, scroll down to find the Triggers section. Click Add New Trigger and choose the Click Open option. This step is crucial as it sets the behavior for opening the pop-up when someone clicks a specific button. Take a moment to configure these settings according to your preferences, ensuring everything aligns with your goals for user interaction. Once done, go ahead and click Publish to make your pop-up live. Finally, we need to create the button that will trigger the pop-up. Navigate to the page or post on your site where you want this button to appear. In your editor, add a new button and set its link to the pop-up trigger URL provided by Popup Maker. This URL essentially acts as the bridge between the button and your pop-up, making sure that when clicked, the pop-up seamlessly appears. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Wpforms to display in a pop-up triggered by a button click. I hope this helps streamline your site's functionality and enhances user engagement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.